Do you know how much your business is paying for softwares every month? Something we did earlier today was to list out all the softwares and services that we use, its cost, and to find out how much we are paying for softwares every month and a year. So I have a Google Sheet here, and basically what we did was we listed all the softwares that we use. For example, we have MailChimp, our email marketing software, its monthly cost, and also the equivalent in Ringgit Malaysia. Now again, this is not the full list, this is a partial list of softwares that we pay for on a monthly basis. And I was shocked to find that we pay an upward of more than 25,000 a year on these softwares alone. Now, this figure here might seem like a small number if you come from a corporate or a big company, but for a small organization like us, this is still some cost to look at. Now, I'm not saying that softwares are bad and you shouldn't spend on softwares, but softwares can actually be cut back. Just like your personal subscription, Netflix, and also your telco, you can look at softwares like here, and what we realize is when we start to map out all these softwares here, we begin to see some softwares that we're paying for features that we're not even using, right? So we can downgrade to a smaller plan for some of these softwares. And some of these softwares can also be replaced by alternative softwares that allows us to buy once and use it forever, aka a lifetime deal. So I created this sheet as a downloadable template. You can download this in the link down below or our blog post. And I want you to map out your softwares within this template itself. So for example, let's say you pay for hosting called ABC Hosting, and then you put in, maybe you pay $100 a month for this hosting. It's going to convert to you its equivalent in Ringgit Malaysia based on the data by Google Finance. So all the formulas are inside here. And why USD to MYR? The reason for that is because most of the softwares we are subscribed to is charged to us at USD, right? Now, what if you have MYR softwares? So for example, you want to do is use the green color ones. That's what I created the green colors one for. So let's say you want to use Google, and let's say you spend 50 ringgit on Google. So we put in 50 and it convert back to you at 11.68 cents in USD. That is what the green columns is for. So I'm really curious, how much do you spend on softwares each month for your business itself, or a year for your business? Use this template, map out your softwares and services and see how much you're paying for. And I think this is really important for most businesses as well. You should actually do this once every few months to find out how much you're paying for softwares, and are you overpaying for them, or what can you do to optimize some softwares that you don't actually really need. If you're interested to reduce the cost you pay for softwares for your business, do check out DigitalKit. We are bringing you software deals from all these software companies that we've negotiated with at discounted rates and sometimes as a lifetime deal itself. Go and check out digitalkit.org, and to get the further updates and latest updates from DigitalKit, make sure to subscribe to this video or to subscribe at digitalkit.org. See you then.